ready to skyrocket your sales outreach and connect with high-potential leads. Then buckle up because this tutorial will teach you how to harness the power of Apollo to send targeted emails that convert. First, let's create an email sequence. Click on the Sequences tab on the left-hand side of your Apollo dashboard. This is where you'll build automated email workflows that reach out to your target audience. Next, hit the Create Sequence button. Now you can choose between using a pre-made template or building one from scratch for this demo. Let's start from scratch, giving you full control. You'll be brought to the sequence editor from here. You can add different steps to your sequence. Think initial email, follow-up email, maybe even a LinkedIn connection request. The most important thing is to personalize. Click Create Email, then choose a name for your email. Apollo makes personalization a breeze. Use the personalization tokens, such as first name and company name, to insert unique information into each email. Set the timing between emails to keep your leads warm. Apollo allows you to control when the emails are sent and helps you to track opens, clicks, and replies so you can refine your outreach and see what's working. Remember to keep an eye on your analytics. The Analytics tab inside of Apollo lets you monitor important email metrics across teams, sequences, and individuals. Use these insights to optimize your sequences and improve your lead generation results.